everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your not enough storage error on Instagram. If Instagram won't load or update because of the storage, here's how to clear space quickly. First of all, go to settings and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage. Scroll down for the app you're looking for and then click on the offload app option. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, scroll through your iPhone storage and delete old apps, photos or videos you don't need to free up space. Safety tip: back up important photos and files to iCloud or Google Drive before deleting, so you don't lose anything by accident. Quick fix: if it still shows the error, restart your iPhone and after clearing space, then try updating Instagram. Go ahead and open your App Store or Play Store, then search for Instagram. Then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. And yeah, this is how you guys can fix your not enough storage error on your Instagram app. I hope this video helped you guys on doing that. If it did, make sure you hit the like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment down on my video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.